In this example, we are going to use the Select Segments method to move an 8-foot 6-inch wide, 13-foot 6-inch high, 60-foot long, 90,000-pound load from the intersection of SR 1307 and US 17 in Craven County to the intersection of US 70 and NC 101. We have the application data complete and ready to go on to the Routing tab. The best way to locate the intersection of SR 1307 and US 17 in Craven County is to use the Find Locate function. We will first zoom the map to Craven County using the Find County option. The map is zoomed to Craven County. Now we must find SR 1307 in Craven County. For this, we will also use the Find Locate function. We want to uncheck the Fit to View checkbox. We want the map to stay zoomed to Craven County. SR 1307 is in Craven County is highlighted in yellow. It is very small, so we want to zoom in more. We may want to zoom in a number of times to see the intersection clearly. We right-click on the map area to exit the zoom command. Now we are ready to start selecting the route. To start the routing by selecting segments, select the Select Segments option from the Define Trip drop-down list box. Next, we click the Select Segments button. This starts the selection process. Since we are traveling north on US 17, we need to click on US 17 close to the SR 1307 intersection. As our mouse cursor gets closer to the route, it will highlight the route segment and show a pop-up that gives the route name. Click on US 17 near SR 1307. After we make our first pick on US 17, we need to make one more pick on the same route to tell the system what direction we are going to travel. Move the mouse along US 17 and click the route again. You can make this pick anywhere along US 17, including on the originally selected segment, so long as the next pick is in the direction you want to travel. From US 17, we want to go to US 70. Scroll the map by clicking in an open area of the map, hold the left mouse button down, and drag the map. You can also use the directional arrows on the zoom control or fit the map as needed. Anytime, you can also zoom in and zoom out. You can use the zoom in, zoom out control bar in the left top corner of the map. We can also keep clicking along US 17 until we get to the intersection of US 70. Once we can see US 70, we need to click anywhere along it as long as it is in the direction we are going. For example, if we want to go west on US 70, we can click anywhere on US 70 west of US 17. If we click east of US 17, the system will think we want to go east. Let's click on US 70 anywhere east of US 17. From US 70, we want to go to NC 101. NC 101 is quite a ways to the southeast, so we keep panning and clicking on US 70 until we get to NC 101. Now we have told the system we want to start at the intersection of SR 1307 and US 17 in Craven County and travel on US 17 until we get to US 70. Then we are going to get on US 70 and travel east to NC 101. With the trip selected, we can click on the Analyze button. When we do this, the system will analyze the trip we have selected for our specific vehicle. The analysis should just take a few seconds. The system will come back and tell us about any routing issues, or it will tell us everything is okay, and we can proceed. In this case, the analysis of the trip we want was successful, and we can continue with the permit application process. The entire trip is centered in the map area and highlighted in green. The driving directions are displayed in the area below the map. We can also see the driving directions along with the trip origin and destination by clicking the View Route button.